Example 2. The monthly sales of an interactive speaker are approximately Q equals negative 10p plus 1,600 speakers, when the price per speaker is P dollars, it costs $30 to manufacture each speaker. Part A, find the total monthly cost, revenue, and profit as a function of price, meaning price will be our input, and we're just told that price is in P dollars. Okay, so first we're asked to find the cost. So focusing on the cost, in the sentence, it says it costs $30 to manufacture each speaker. So $30 for each speaker. But here's the key. It's each speaker. So it's not just $30. It's $30 for one speaker, $60 for two, $30 for 9. So we need to multiply the cost by the number of speakers, and we're given Q speakers in the equation. So we need 30 times Q, except for instead of Q, we're going to write out the equivalent formula or function for Q of negative 10 plus 1,600. Remember, our function is supposed to have price as the input, not quantity, and this way we're going to have a P in our function. I'll distribute the 30, and my cost, where P is the input, is negative 300p plus 4,800. This is the cost to manufacture a speaker. Next, we were asked to find the revenue. And if you remember, revenue is price times quantity. P represented our price, Q is the number of speakers, and we're given a function for Q. So we need to, again, substitute that in for Q. This time we're distributing a variable instead of a number, and we get the revenue is the negative 10p squared plus 1,600p. Lastly, we're asked to find the profit. So remembering that profit is revenue minus cost, then we can take the revenue function that we just found and subtract the cost function that we just listed. And for us to simplify this function, although you could type this into WebAssign, it will not be full credit on a test or a quiz, we would distribute the negative sign so that we'll have a negative times negative 300, right? That means I'm going to have plus 300p, but still the negative 4,800. I still need to simplify further because there's two terms with just a single p variable. They're both positives, they add to 1,900p. And my final answer is a profit of negative 10p squared plus 1,900p minus 4,800. Oh no, wait a minute, come back and look at the cost. The cost ended in 48,000, but if you look when I was trying to find the profit, I accidentally only wrote 4,800. I need to add a 0 at the end of that number, which means I need a 0 in the line below, which means my final answer doesn't end in 4,800, it's 48,000. Sorry about that.